from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Toyota Yaris here on a 2005 plate. Just replacing the stop lamp on the driver's rear and the centre lamp as well. I do get a lot of requests on centre lamps, stop lamps, how to replace them. But this one here is quite an easy one. I'm going to show you first. Could you just switch the lights on, please? Now, as you can see, that one there is working. And this one here is working as well. Now, press the brakes. And you see that one's got a lot brighter. So it means it's got a double filament bulb, which is going to be a 380 bulb. But you can see that one's not working. And this one isn't. So I'm going to show you how to replace both of them in a minute. Just turn the lights off, please. First thing first, what we do, we replace this one. All you've got to do is remove this cover. Once you remove this cover, it is quite an easy job to do this. I'm just gonna go back. Brilliant. Now this is the stop lamp right far in here. This top one here is an indicator bulb, and this one here is a fog light. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace the stop lamp, which is right at the back there. So if I twist that to my left, take it out. Now this is the bulb, but you can see here already he's got a problem with regards to the terminals on the socket. So even though if I replace the bulb, there's no possibility it's gonna work. So let's try that first. So let's replace the bulb. If that doesn't work, what I'm gonna then get him to do is get me a new plug, or I'll get one for him, whichever way it's easier. So if I slot that bulb in, we're gonna try slotting it back in. So there's only one way it would go in the back as well. So you just gotta wiggle where there isn't enough space to see. I'll just unplug this, push this in, and then pull it out. You still can't see it. That's useless. I just need to line it up. That's still not lined up. That's still not lined up. So now that's lined up. Here we go. So what we're going to do, we're going to just check, make sure it's working. Press the brakes. Right, it's still not working, as you can see. Switch the lights on. Right, the lights are working, but the brakes aren't working. So for me to fix that, I'm going to have to replace the plug socket on there. So I'm going to do that in a minute. Give it a clean and maybe it works. Now get into this. This one's easy. So if you just pull this cover back from the top and then pull it out towards you, and it started working now, because there may be a loose connection. Here we go. So this is, that's a 10mm socket. So what I've got to do is just remove that 10mm socket. And this keeps working and not working. And then you've got a clip here as well. So this clip usually is pushed in, so it's solid. But you push this up and bring the lamp down, and then gently, I just need to see from that side. So the only thing that's holding it is this little clip here. So I'm not gonna really undo this clip now. So I do this, is turn that to my right, pull the whole thing out. Right, so it's not a 501 bulb, but it is a caplet bulb, which you can see right here. I'm just gonna go and get the bulb for this one. Let go of the brake, please, lights off. Right, now that I've got the bulb, it's a 955 bulb. You'll find that in the link as well. So if you did want one, you can click on the link and you can get that from wherever the link sends you. So I'll put the bulb in. It'll be easier to remove this and doing it, but the only way to remove this is by wedging a screwdriver, flat screwdriver, take this yellow clip off. I mean, I'm doing it with my nails now, so it's not a good idea, but here we go. So you've got the whole thing out. You then slot the whole bulb holder in, twist that to my right. That's it. So this is it. Slot the bulb, twist that to my right, and then slot the wires in, slot this in as well. So make sure this clicks in. That's it. And I'll put the screw back on, and that's clipped in as well. Brilliant. And then the cover would only go one way as well. So this kind of slots in there. You see? So if I put it in like this first, and then bring it up, and that's it, job done. So what we're going to now do is just check, make sure it's working. Press the brakes. Now as you can see, that one's working, this one's working, but this one isn't. With regards to the one on the passenger side, let go. With regards to the one on the the driver's side rear, you've obviously seen the plug socket, which was quite rusty. So I'll advise the customer we need a new one. He'll either get one for us, or we'll just have to get one from the main dealers, or maybe our local suppliers. But yeah, so that's all it is on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.